I'm currently Director of Operations, responsible for the technical services, supply chain management and the production department, working over 10 years with HAL already. Did various roles, but all within production, but working very closely with other departments. If I need to describe my typical workday, then I would describe it as dynamic. There are a lot of things to handle, not only participating in meetings, but also motivating the team, giving the team directions, and that's all to be better and have a brighter future with HAL Allergy. The main focus of the operations is to have a secure availability of all products and to make sure that there's a stable output and that the technical services keep the building and the equipment in an optimal condition. I'm very proud being part of that team and that we are successful